the presence of the Lord. Let's put him in the atmosphere. Put him in your living room. Yes, wherever you are. Come on, put your hands together. That's it.
Hey guys, so Kobe coming at you once again, Holy Lessons, with a beautiful song for another beautiful week. So song as we acknowledge you, performed by Karen Clark Sheard, beautiful arrangement, beautiful harmonies, beautiful production, really, really beautiful. So we'll get into it right away. So song is in the key of A flat, modulates to the key of A, and then finally in the key of B flat. So let's learn our major scale as usual. So we have our 1, our 2, our 3, our 4, our 5, our 6, our 7, and then back to our 1, the A flat, okay? So in the key of A major, we have our 1, our 2, our 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, or 1. So in the key of B flat, we have our 1, our 2, our 3, our 4, our 5, our 6, our 7, and our 1. Okay, and this a really, really, really simple song. So I don't think we're gonna keep much um longer on this. So I'll hit off with the intro real slow. So okay, so on the intro I'm doing a 2, to a 3, to a 4, back to the 3, and then to a 6, to the 5, to the 6. Okay, so now on the 2, I'm doing basically a D flat over the B flat. So I have a B flat and A flat on the left, with a D flat, F, and A flat on the right. So on a 3, I'm doing a C and B flat on the left, with E flat, a G, and B flat. So that makes the E flat major, okay, over the C. Beautiful chord. So basically there's a D flat major 7th chord. So I have a D flat, F, A flat, and C, okay? And on the right I have a E flat, F, A flat, and C, okay? So back to our 3. Okay, so on the 5, okay, on the 5 is a regular E flat major chord over the E flat on the left, and on the right is a B flat.